Association that last year, or early this year, we had a cultural festival. The Embassy of Nigeria had a cultural festival, mainly by the Yoruba Cultural Group. And I have been told every cultural association I've gone to that next year is going to be all the cultural associations that make up Nigeria. The Igbo Cultural Association, the Yoruba Cultural Association, the Edo Cultural Association. I want us to come out in like number. Let the city of Vienna see that Nigeria is a great country. We're a country of 480 million people. And I want us to join together, work together to showcase this culture that we are so rich. Nigeria is a country of rich, diverse culture. It's the diversity that makes us a great nation. And I want that next year we will all cooperate together to showcase our culture. So please, Chairman of Igbo Cultural Association, I want you to work with my staff to be able to begin the arrangements for a full-fledged Nigerian cultural carnival next year. Once more, I want to thank all of you for being here. I want to thank the sponsors, our friends, the Austrian government that are here present. Thank you very much. I'm here with me, with my staff of my embassy. I want to introduce them to you, just to let you know that the Embassy of Nigeria is open to you. We are showing you that we are here for you. Whatever you need us to do, either myself or my staff, that are available to work with you to continue to promote the rich culture of Nigeria and to promote Nigeria in the country where we are. Thank you, and long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria, long live the Republic of Austria, and long live Igbo. Igbo win!
Yeah. A big hand of applause. Next year, Intercultural Carnival in Vienna. Organized and supported by the Nigerian Embassy. It's not easy.
It is true. It's wonderful.